Okay. I'm getting a little bit emotional out here. But we all gotta keep strong, guys. You gotta pack your fucking shit and do something. Come on, man. Come on.
This is Deymx.
Okay, I will be real. Life just don't fulfill. I know I managed to quit taking all these fucking pills. I'm doing so much sports, I'm grinding so damn hard. But all what kept me going doesn't help no more on God. Reflecting on my life, this can be the price. Achieved so goddamn much in time, but still can't fucking smile. Some have it so much worse, so why I need these perks? I feel so damn ashamed to always cry about my purse.
And I still keep going, and I won't quit fighting. And all my enemies, thanks for choosing me.
And all that fear, it was always near. I do suffer from these issues since my childhood years. Was taking all these meds just to get me back. These psychotists are liars, and you know this is a fact. None of that shit helps, you have to climb the hill. Is depression really real? For that they got a pill. You buying all that shit to increase their fucking bills. Depression means you understood, and that leaves you in tears. And all of a sudden all your friends just disappear. None of that shit bothers them, cause none of them were real. I don't give a fuck about them, I'd rather be alone. The only friend you ever had was your mirror at home. But fuck it, it's so hard when you start to hate yourself. But always face the fact that these bitches made you melt. So much pressure in my head, I feel so goddamn old. I hate the way I am, I also know this is my fault.
It feels so goddamn cold. God, I just need hope. Sometimes I wanna put my head inside a rope. Yes, I am real. Man, this is so dark, scary. I enjoy the thought of suicide so hard.